Pahwa is a second-generation entrepreneur who's giving his 30-year-old company a green edge. In the business of industrial heating and air conditioning systems, Varun helped his company Pahwa Enterprises bag the prestigious contract for the Beijing Olympics. Here's his story. He manages a business that represents the air management industry in India. To put it simply, Pahwa Enterprises is in the business of manufacturing of industrial heating, ventilating and air conditioning solutions. Varun Pahwa is now driving business at Pahwa Enterprises, a company founded in 1979 by his father, Deepak Pahwa. Today, this air engineering company is 1,000 people strong with 8 manufacturing units spread across Europe and Asia. Providing energy-saving and air quality maintenance solutions to corporates around the world, this 300 crore rupee venture is hoping to gain a lion's share of the air management market. So just how did Varun acclimatize himself for the job?
I actually worked in the company for 3 years, more on the engineering side and sales and application sales. So that really gave me a good base to understand the application in the industry. And I went to do my MBA after a 3-year break, after not only working in India but also internationally. And I ended up doing an MBA with focus in finance. So that really completed the whole picture for me. And right after an MBA, I think everyone is really itching to channelize all your energy or newfound education to some direction. And I found that the best way for me to do that, after having gained some experience in the US market, was to come back to India and see what would be the next venture what our group could take. And what I've focused more on is looking at the whole sustainable commercial building movement, or green building movement, now it's better known as.
And with this mission in 2006, Varun gave this family business a fresh breath of air. He put the spotlight on DRI, a group company that focuses on energy-saving solutions for commercial buildings, and even won the contract for the Beijing Olympics.
We've been associated with one of the largest green buildings all over the world, and interestingly, India today has the 3rd or 4th largest certified green footprint in the world after North America. And a lot of interest by the developers in India. We were associated with the project, for example, which was the Beijing Olympics. It was one of the first green Olympics. So right from the airport to a lot of the new stadiums that got built, we were providing solutions for indoor air quality there. One of the tallest buildings in the world, be it the Petronas Towers or the tall buildings that you see in the Dubai landscape. We've been really out there providing solutions, working with the local designers, architects.
Using patented technology, DRI's client list include residential and commercial building developers in India and corporates like HCL, Godrej and Infosys. Accounting for 30% of Pahwa Enterprises' revenues, Varun is cashing in on the rising global awareness on carbon clean technologies and sustainable development. With 7 brands and more than 30 innovations, Pahwa Enterprises today is the largest manufacturer of industrial dehumidifiers, preservation systems, plastics auxiliaries and energy recovery systems. With an eye on exports, the group today has a presence in over 40 countries and is a market leader in the HVAC space in India and China. But managing a business that's as universal as air sure isn't easy.
Since the applications are niche, the challenge has always been education first. So it's been a lot of applied product where we've been not only product suppliers but also so-called doctors or consultants to a customer who essentially knows that he either has to maintain good indoor air quality levels, or have good humidity control, or have good clean air, get rid of his gaseous contaminants. So we really come in and offer a full turnkey solution where we'd work with the site engineers and understand the problems, and then jointly develop a full product solution. So the challenge has been that the sales cycle is long. There's a lot of effort which goes into first education and then by the time the actual sales takes place or the whole product cycle is completed, maybe a year or two.
So to speed things up, Varun is even looking at taking the inorganic route. Pahwa Enterprises acquired a German HVAC company, A+H Hamburg, in 2007, and the group is now testing waters in Asia.
Today we are a 1,000 people strong group, present all over the world, international subsidiaries in Germany, China, Malaysia and the US, and licensing agreements there as well, and our own network of sales and offices. Our growth plan laid out a couple of years ago takes us for our financial year 2011-2012 to a $100 million mark. So that's something which we are all charged up to achieve, and I think we are on track despite a recession or no recession.